好，有請咁多位，我哋有請 Gary， 有請 Patrick、林寶、阿木、日雕，亦都有請謝國維同埋 Brian， 有請咁多位 ，Hello。好。好啦，咁多位咧，頭先都講過咧，入圍我哋嘅最佳編曲啦、最佳旋律以及係最佳歌詞啦。嗱，首先我想同 Gary 傾下偈先。係，你好 Gary。
Hello。
我哋當然係講嘅用背脊唱情歌啦。咁其實呢首歌我諗好多即係聽嘅樂迷都覺得係一首好經典嘅粵語流行曲嘅風格嚟㗎嘛。咁當然同你以前可能比較早期啲，你嘅風格其實係一個完全唔一樣嘅一個嘗試。其實你自己點樣睇你自己而家嘅歌、而家曲風嘅風格同以往嘅一啲風格嘅分別呢？尤其是喺今次呢首歌入邊。
其實我覺得而家整嘅歌同之前整嘅歌都係有相同之處嘅，即係講翻可能緊急聯絡人咁樣啦，因為我好中意聽 hip hop 嘅歌，所以喺緊急聯絡人嘅 chorus 裏面都有用到drill 嘅鼓嘅。咁喺呢首背脊唱情歌呢，就其實冇乜特別諗嘅，但係可能最緊要嘅一樣嘢啦，就係我寫第一個 chorus 嘅時候寫得比較低音，咁去到第二個即係西線梅如果 chorus 就高一個8度咁樣咯，最主要係。
係，所以其實呢個反而係你喺創作嘅時候唔覺咁樣寫出嚟，定係一開始已經有呢個設計喺度？
我哋我喺華納嘅 makeup room 度無意中寫咗出嚟嘅。係啊，就係咁。
就唱咗呢首大家而家不斷翻煲、不斷聽嘅用背脊唱情歌啦。OK， 唔該晒 Gary。好啦，咁跟住又問下 Patrick 先啦。係。好啦，今次嗱最佳編曲就係阿 Jer 嘅《不要活成自己討厭的模樣》啦。其實大家都知道阿 Jer 把聲咧本身係好有質感嘅，好有感情嘅。咁其實喺你喺編曲上邊點樣能夠將阿 Jer 呢一啲嘅佢嘅特色透過編曲再發揮到多啲出嚟咧？
我記得係收到Carl叔叔即係呢首歌嘅監製邀請啦，咁問我可唔可以幫阿 Jer 編曲。咁就我同阿 Jer 其實識咗好多年㗎啦。即係一直都有喺演唱會演出上面合作，但係做 track 就係第一次，咁我就更加珍惜呢個機會啦，或者即係呢首歌啦，咁我就好用心去編曲嘅。咁我記得一開始就編咗一次，全部都係 MIDI， 咁之後就俾阿 Jer 去錄音啦，即係入錄音室。咁但係翻嚟之後呢，又好唔同喎，俾我個感覺，因為其實呢首歌呢，我會話有少少魔鬼在細節，就係因為呢首歌嘅 tempo 即係個速度咧係不斷去變化嘅，即係有時個 chorus 會慢3個 BPM， 有時又會快少少，快0.5咁樣。咁所以當我收到佢個 vocal 之後，即係因為佢錄音嗰陣時係好根據嗰個情緒去錄嘅，咁所以就我 basically
所以個 tempo 就不斷喺度變緊啊，有啲係。
即係我本身係同一個 tempo， 但係佢錄嗰陣時咧就根據佢嘅情緒咧去改變個 tempo。咁之後再攞翻佢條 raw vocal 就再即係 base on 佢嘅感情，再豐富成個編曲咯，就係而家大家聽到嘅編曲啦。
哦，咁我哋到時再聽嘅時候要留意翻多啲呢一樣嘢。
好，咁我又問下林寶啦，咁你係無題時想起的人。
係。
咁無題呢一個 theme 啊，究竟點個起點係邊嘅？即係諗緊嘅時候，點解會諗到無題嘅咧？
我諗原身就係覺得每一次我諗大在座好多填詞人都係即係我哋要諗一首歌係諗咗主題先啦。咁我諗今次最主要就係想試下冇主題嘅情況之下，睇下可以寫到一個咩主題出嚟咁樣。
interesting， 好啊。仲有冇特別一啲可以 share 嘅關於呢一首歌嘅嘢？
有啊，係啊，因為其實即係之前我覺得係即係其實呢首歌使唔使同即係一個咁樣咁奇怪嘅冇主題嘅主題，使唔使同Phil 哋傾下，同Harry 哋傾下咧？即係作曲嘅兩位，咁最終都係冇乜點討論嘅，因為我覺得佢哋個歌其實個 demo 個名叫 Don't Know What Love Is Until It's Gone 咁所以其實佢哋個本身我成日都覺得佢個旋律咧已經寫咗一半份歌詞嘅。咁其中一樣我覺得最特別嘅嘢就反而係同Edward 啦。咁Edward brief 我嗰陣時候咧就有講過一樣嘢，我後尾都冇話翻俾佢聽嘅。即係佢講過其實都好 free 嘅，咁但係可以諗下都可以嘅 free 可以或者都可以寫愛情。咁但係最終寫咗出嚟，我就冇同佢講，就係最尾嗰句就係話愛唔係個主題 其實都仲係好重要。
咁
啊，所以即係呢一個都係無心插柳，但係佢最終就係成為一件咁嘅事，所以都未算係一首情歌，但係都有佢嘅重要性咁。
有趣，非常有趣，多謝你嘅 sharing。
明白。好啦，咁我又想同阿木傾下偈啦。今次係最佳歌詞 Gin Lee 嘅《白夜行》啦。其實同阿 Gin 都之前有合作過啦，今次再合作就係《白夜行》呢首歌。其實因為首歌大家聽嘅時候都覺得嗰種力量好強。同埋嗰個即係描述一個人，佢喺一個好困境入邊去掙扎啦，同埋去抗爭，最後能夠突破到自我嘅一個過程嚟。咁其實即係呢個歌詞入邊嘅故事，有幾多係你自己嘅親身經歷，定係我嘅幻想出嚟，又或者係其他人俾你嘅分享而造就到呢份詞咧？
或者 Gin Lee 嘅故事，
定係 Gin Lee 嘅故事？
呢首歌《白夜行》呢首歌係喺我一個比較低潮嘅時候去完成嘅。咁其實我而家回望翻呢，我覺得好似都係個宇宙想我經歷咗一啲呢啲低潮，然後去完成同埋去帶俾大家呢首有血有淚嘅作品咁咯。
即係因為你有呢個經歷，寫咗呢份詞，可能成為咗一個燈塔，而鼓勵到有啲可能都同你一樣經歷緊差唔多嘅嘢，透過呢個歌詞，佢亦都可以得到一啲救贖咁樣嘅感覺。
係啊，冇錯，當然係。
咁如果你今時今日再聽翻呢一首歌，會唔會哇翻去嗰一刻作嘅時候，
定係用另一個維度去睇翻嗰時嘅自己嘅感覺？
原來都冇乜嘢啫，有冇咩感覺？聽翻呢一首歌嘅時候，
我諗係我日後，當我因為你知一年都可能唔止一個低潮㗎嘛，我日後自己聽翻呢首歌都好似提醒緊自己，即係我希望呢首歌可以提醒到大家如果即係黑夜再漫長都好啦，自己都係光源咯。咁我其實都希望我自己不斷提醒自己咁樣。
好啊，咁啊，就算再黑暗嘅時候，自己點翻起呢一首歌嚟提醒翻自己。
係，唔該晒木，係。
And now I'd like to speak to Adele. And I know that this song Porsche is composed by a few composers, right?
Yes.
Are there any special that you want to share about this song, or how did you come up with the lyrics and the song, the melody?
For sure. So earlier this year, Music Nation Publishing and Sony Music Publishing invited me to Hong Kong to a writing camp. And that was my first time in Hong Kong, so it was a great time to experience Hong Kong writing style, to meet the talent, to meet the writers over here. And so during one of the sessions, we wrote Porsche actually with Victor and Andrea and Karen, which is two other writers. It was a super interesting session because as songwriter, we always try to come up with unique ideas, and sometimes if the energy is not there, it's hard, but this time it was really, really easy and smooth to come up with idea and come up with fresh and unique concept, so everything was pretty easy.
咁所以第一次你喺香港就同 Victor 去再合作，所以所有嘢作出嚟嘅時候都非常之容易愉快嘅。Anything? How do you rate your own song? What do you think about this song, Porsche?
I mean, I was pleasantly surprised also with the Sumling's delivery. It was really good when it came out. I was again pleasantly surprised, and I think it's really great. Yeah, I'm happy.
原來出嚟個結果佢都非常之滿意啊！
係。好啦，最後咧想同 Victor 同埋 Brian 傾下偈啦。今次入圍最佳編曲就係 Collar 嘅《暴走女團》啦。其實嗱呢首歌我哋一開始聽頭嗰段嘅時候就會俾嗰啲電音去吸引到，帶我哋入去咗一個好充滿住搖滾感覺嘅節奏啦。咁所以其實個編曲，我覺得尤其是一開始點樣先聲奪人，個編曲都好緊要㗎嘛。都想請教下兩位，尤其是即係 Collar 係一隊女團嚟嘅，你點樣為成個 Collar 呢個整體嘅佢哋嘅感覺去度身訂做一啲啱佢哋嘅音樂元素喺編曲，甚至乎喺監製方面咁樣？
呢首歌其實好少 layer 嘅啫，不過其實好多 vocal 嘅。呢首歌我想 bring out Collar 嘅 vocal 多啲咯，所以用少啲 element， 不過嗰啲電子嘅 element 想整每個都會 pay 多啲 attention to 佢點樣 work with each other to bring out 嗰個 vocal 咯，所以呢首歌係好想 highlight Collar as a whole 咯，其實佢啲 vocal 就冇。即係 let the music work for the vocal，not the other way around 咯，係咯。
即係希望佢都係成為一個 襯托，而唔係搶咗佢本身成個團隊嘅音色啊，係咪啊？
係啦。
好啊 ，Victor 有啲乜嘢補充？
首歌咧就正如阿 Brian 所講啦，人聲 layer 特別多啦。咁其實喺編曲嘅時候，同佢都 go through 有一個過程，就係我哋想加好多樂器落去，但係其實結果係 take out 咗嘅。係，因為我哋覺得嗰個節拍同埋人聲，同埋人聲喺呢隻歌嚟講，確實係好大部分嘅一個編曲嘅部分。咁我係想 feature 呢樣嘢。咁亦都想順帶一次一個機會，多謝阿 Wyman 啦。其實首歌咧係佢填詞啦。有啲 layers 咧，我係好豐富，好豐富。結果我只能夠 mix 到咧係細聲咗，大家可能要好細心、好細心，先喺最尾個副歌嗰度嚟到聽到個層次。咁但係即係我想講嘅就係我哋擺咗好多時間去喺個 vocal 度，令到個編曲除咗電子節拍裏頭之外咧，就再令到佢豐富啲，同埋係更加有 color 嘅特性咯。
好啊，多謝你嘅分享啊！因為即係幫女團作曲都係另一種難嘅，另一種
尤其是係一班人，佢哋係有好多，但係要 as a whole 能夠表達到 Collar 成件事整體嘅感覺咁。多謝晒咁多位音樂人同我哋嘅分享啦。